So I got a big problem. Every time I try to activate Google while I'm recording, it stops working for no reason. Yeah, it says can't reach Google at the moment. But I'll try to do a trick. So once I say the name, I will try to get it back on recording, but I'll change my name up a bit, so be right back. So yeah, I got everything set up. So yeah, let's try. Huh, smart. They disable voice chat. Looks like I kind of broke it when I think I broke the voice when I was changing names. Kind of corrupted it, but when restarting it, it worked.
Thus, but it will work.
It actually works. I actually tricked Google to say it out loud. Looks like he wanted to be a race car after all. I just can't handle him. He's just so funny. So if you see this, then that was my luck. So have a great day and oh my god, this time I actually laughed. Okay, bye guys, bye. I'm going to be laughing for the rest of my life right now. Bye.